let's try and continue down. So I need to go up and left. No, I'm still trapped in my same fucking situation. What the fuck, Dreki? What about that? Go right. Nope, let's go up. Right, get up there. To the right. Go down. Come on, dude. Come on. Chase me. Come and get the slooty. Squiggity booty. Come and get the scug bo- There we go. Alright. Do not fight me. I will die. Okay, well this is a problem. Is that blue lizard turned into a cyan lizard? Well, cyan is another shade of blue. This is ridiculous. Okay, but actually this might be what I'm trying to get to. Maybe. Hold on. Let me get this karma flower. Okay. Pretty sure that's what I want to get to. Damn it. Come on, let me through. This is fucking bullshit. Wait, is there something down here, maybe? No, it's just death. Alright, that's cool. That's great. Love that for me. Okay, hold on. We need to look at the map for a sec. Okay, to get there, I need to get to here. Can't, that's a non-starter. The other way is this invisible. There's something I haven't been to over here. What am I missing? Maybe I need to go further left. No, I think that makes me fall off the edge. Guess we could backtrack. Because our other solution is not viable. No. No. There's that line. We don't know where that goes to. I don't think that's accessible, maybe? Okay, so go from our shelter. Where the fuck are we? You're there. If we go up, no. We need to go down, right, up, up. Up. Left. Up. You should go left, left, left. Yeah, and just kind of go left over there. We need to look over there because there's a connection I'm not aware of. Let me figure out what that is. Wait a minute. I have float even on minimum karma. I'm a fool. We can make that area then. I just need to float. Fuck. I'm overcomplicating this. So I just need to get to funny jump room. Damn it, Dreki. You could have done this. You just overcomplicated it. I hate when this happens. I can't believe you bit me. That's pretty rude. Okay, okay. You go up through here. Wiggle up. Eat a bit of a blueberry. Delicious. Tastes like blue. Possibly a berry. From here we go. The karma flower is not there. Ah! Oh, that's a hot dog! Why are you throwing a Dreki dog at me, ferret? Jeez. I'm trying to eat some vegetables here and you give me a delicious sauced up hot dog? Well, if you insist. No! I didn't get to eat my hot dog! Fucked up, Durangar. Can't believe you do this to me. It's mine now. No! Mean to me. And that's why the cyan lizard's in gay baby jail. Damn it, I got stuck. Those you the void steal your food. No! Mean to me. Alright, okay. Ah! Oh, now you're throwing scugs at me? It's not even the scug I'm playing. Fuck! Fuck! I grabbed a rock instead of a spear! Fucking drop wigs! It's the most annoyingest enemy of the year. Shakes the Ardian under. What's the worst that could happen? Ah! Oh, thanks for the Dreki drink. delicious. Oh, fuck me. Now I can't do the float. I need at least one level of karma. Okay. Well, then we go with the old plan of seeing if there's a connection. Will they? Connection. Actually, better idea. Where's cold storage connect to? Well, thanks for the the directs well. Stormy Coast. Is it Stormy Coast? Ah! Oh, there's so much stuff. There's even a gnome in there. What the hell? Yeah. Actually, there we go. That's a nice jump. Go away, bug. 2 more to go. Let's take this. Ah! It's a Dreki possum. Yay! All right. Now. Nice. All right, we just need to head right. We'll go back to Spires. And instead of taking the Echo exit, we will take the portal, which will kind of get us back on track. Ah! Trip Starleg? Oh, come on by! Ooh. Slug raid. There is an ascended scav here. Strange. Ah! Speaking of an ascension, now that's an ascended slug. If I ain't ever seen one. Welcome on by. Playing some Hello Kitty adventure. Nice. I hope y'all had fun. Streaming is hard work though, so at the very least, I hope y'all can take an opportunity to relax, stand up, wiggle around, leave a piss, take a water. I would recommend you get your water from someplace different than you piss. I think some nice, cool, filtered water is the best, but like, I mean, you do you. You should be a grown adult if you're hanging out around this place. If you don't know me, I am Dreki Urmer, Draconic Serpent, Flightless Dragon, or simply Worm on the internet. Normally, I'm a bit more scaled and feathered, but I'm feeling silly today, so I am on this worm off the string model. Yes. It is made by, where's my buttons? Kaya. It's one of those like customizable model things. And I just recolored it and have settings to kind of make it look like me. definitely a cool artist to check out as well. We are playing Rain World, the Watcher DLC, which released last week. If you don't want to be spoiled on it, hi, bye. If you don't care about spoils, you don't even know what Rain World is or what have not, and you're sticking around, feel free to hang out. This is our second playthrough, so I've got a bit of a plan, even though things are kind of going awry at the moment. We're trying to get back on track and continue exploring, figuring out some of the stuff that I didn't figure out on my first run, and in general, trying to learn more before I go full all spoils. Otherwise, kick back and enjoy the beautiful vistas and bopping beats that this game has. Do 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 do. Well, I'm satiated. But I'm missing something critical. There you are, grapple grub! Comrade, I have need of your assistance. Join me. We shall swing from the rafters across all the vistas. Nope, not this one. This one. Stay away from me, Zoop Lizard. No, we missed the bus! Damn. Maybe we can get the next one. Ugh. Aha, we can swing across. Perfect. Good, good. Okay, okay, we're doing good. Thank you for the warm welcome. I'm gonna be popping it now so you can put it. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for bringing your people on by. Alright, I think this is our whale bus. Or not. Maybe we need to go up. Yes, alright. Yeah, this should take us to Verdant Waterways. We're gonna go to the Echo. As long as we don't die. Hold up. Beautiful. Thump. right. Move on out of here. Okay. All right. We're good on food. We are good on food. Ah. Oh, that's a fucking toad. All right. We almost got schwacked. It's the deadly eel lizards. Okay, not there. No, 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 no. Oh, that was precarious. Okay. We need to get up. Uppies. Go ahead and remove our camouflage. Free up our hands. Okay. Okay. And we want to keep going up. I think. Pretty sure we want to keep going up. Yes. I don't like the danger music. We're gonna go invisible. Hey, Dueling Long. Welcome on by. I hope you're doing well. It has been a while since we saved, so we're gonna rest here. Oh, I should have kept some of that bubble weed. I'm gonna need it. Damn. Maybe we'll find some in the Fetid Glen. Otherwise, I'll need to revisit the Fetid Glen later. Since I freed up my stomach slot to store bubbleweed in it. Straight up scugging it. Back and forth. Forth and back. Back and forth. Ah! Why are you throwing scugs at me? It's just rude. They're trying to rest. They're doing an eepy skeege. Don't wake up the scugs. Leave them alone. Let's get the karma flower that's over here. Oh, now we're jamming. Now we're jamming, y'all. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, the big suck! The kelp can't see, doesn't hurt him. Whee! They see me floating. We're scugging. All right. Now we swim. Perfect. Watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me. Hey there, buddy. Whoa! What a wild and crazy time! Okay. Need bubbleweed for down there. But where can we find some, Dreki? Where can we find delicious bubbleweed? Nice. There's some bubbleweed. Go away, frog. Perfect. Okay, so far left, bubbleweed. Noted. And there is a shelter up there. We'll just send it. We gotta save with the echo. Actually, I should put one of these in my mouth. Make sure we don't lose our pearl. Stay away, frog. Oh no! We're void walking. All right. Can we do this while void walking then? No, we're gonna drown. I didn't realize we already had void walking. Huh. Ah, that's not a way to go. I see. Okay. Go ahead and... We could just head to the Echo. Yeah. I need to get to the place so I can leave my pearl out of my stomach. I could just rest and leave my pearl up here. Okay, I have an idea. An egg bug. Interesting. Do not. Stay away from me, frog. Oh. Apparently I hit it with that rock. Nice. Fuck! Latched onto me. You son of a fucker. You... Just sit right here and let you drown. There we go. Okay. Grab the bubble weed. Bring it up here and store it. Hey, egg bug. Bug egg. Which way to the shelter, buddy? I not looked over here? I see. Okay. This is new. This area kind of reminds me of... This is kind of reminding me of, salination. A bit. Okay. Is it to the right? No, it's not. Good. Pretty wide area that the echo is affecting. All of them are pacified. Might have to leave that for later. I need to go to the shelter. I want to explore the underwater. That's going to require me to die a couple times. The echo's likely to the left. Or up. Please! Ooh, but there's a gate up. The bees tire themselves out. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, very creepy. Creepy is as creepy does. Just a gooey duck up here? Okay. Kind of odd. I'm thinking... I haven't tried a gooey duck for the locusts. Oh. I was so busy fucking around. Aw, shit. 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 Dreki, you fool, you buffoon. Yeah, hell of a way to die. Okay. Oh, I'm dead. Ripperoni. Did y'all see something? Bunch of weird creatures around here. I think one of them might have snuck in. Guard, did you see anything? Ah! Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff now. What the heck? Why did I dive down? It's not what I meant to do. Strange. Alright, we're good on food. We just need to actually get to the shelter. Why did I flinch? That's weird. This time... Fucking spit a spiders! Right in my face! That's gonna be a yikes from me, dog. Okay, that's weird. Not sure what's going on with that. Wait, no. No karma flower, Dreki. Ah! Why do you keep throwing plushies at me? It's rude. Mean to me. Oh, so much effort just so I can swim. Yeah, Fetid Glen feels very salination, but above ground. Cutscene time. There's a couple of skunks. Look at those buddies. See, look at that skunk go. They're ascending. Go, Rivulet. Oh no, you landed on a lizard. Rivulet, no. He's dead now, chat. Congratulations. You fed Rivulet to a lizard. I hope you're happy with yourself. Like sleep like death. You wake up again. Fortunately, I forgot to spit my damn pearl out, so that's gonna be annoying. Alright. Alright, I need to perish. If I get below karma. Ah, oh, delicious Dreki drink. Thank you. Eat me. Eat me. For once, spider, kill me. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now it's aggro. There we go.